Hi, I'm Brian Buddy from Weingartz. Today we're going to talk about the SnowEx line of salters. Right here I've got the VMAX G2 2200. This is a 2.2 cubic yard spreader. We also have a 1.5 cubic yard spreader. These have a grid up on the top, so that way when the material is being dropped in, it's going to help break up that material, whatever you're using, keep it from clogging up in the auger. They have a patented inverted V baffle in here with a vibrator to help keep that product separated, keep an even flow coming out to the spinner. The spinner and auger on these salters of the VMAX line have a dual LED controller inside the cab. You can control the auger and the spinner. The back housing can be flipped up for transportation if you have an application where you need to be pulling a trailer or getting to your hitch while you're out in salting. Very nice feature to have. Frame is steel with a powder coat finish. You're going to have standard with the machine comes the fitted tarp, and you can get an available pre-wet system for this application. Next, we're going to go over to the SnowEx Pros. We got the 1075 and 575. Very similar machines, very similar makeup. Biggest difference is going to be the capacity. The SnowEx 1075 can take up to 11 80-pound bags, just short of 11, and the 575 can take almost 6 80-pound bags of salt. The controller has an LED display. It also has, you can control your speeds, and it's got a blast function in case you have some areas where you need to put out a little bit more de-icing material. On both of the 1075 and 575, all of the mechanics are encased in steel. This helps keep them out of the elements in a better position of creating some longevity for your salter. Lastly, we're going to have the SnowEx 325 Junior. This will take about 4 bags of 80-pound salt. You've got a single controller here, just an on-off switch, control your speed of the spinner. As with the other models here, you have a fitted lid that has cords on the side to keep it down nice and tight. Won't come off while you're driving from location to location. Spinner down here, just like the others, the motor's encased, and you can get about 40 feet of spread off of these. For each of these applications, there are multiple mount options. Very similar in each one of them is that you've got a tailgate receiver hitch. You can mount it on the tailgate as a pivot off of the tailgate so you can still open your tailgate. You've got your skid mount for the bigger 1075 and a tractor mount available for any one of these. Most part though, you're going to see the 325 on recreation vehicles, utility vehicles, ATVs, while the 575, 1075 you're going to put on your pickup truck. All of these items can be found at Weingartz, any one of our Weingartz locations, or at weingartz.com.